Hi there, I'm Richard from Burning Spears, and I thought I'd bring you a little short video on how to take care of your wood. So those of you who use your wood a lot will know that you've got to keep your wood in tip-top condition so that it can perform at its best when you need it. So here are some tips keeping your wood in tip-top condition and allowing you to pull it out at any given time and for it to be useful, look good and be functional. The first thing, of course, is hygiene. Hygiene, keeping your wood clean, is always greatly appreciated. People do enjoy seeing clean wood, and I'm going to use an antibacterial spray with no perfumes in or anything like that, and I'm just going to clean my wood. So I'm blessed to have large wood, and having large wood means that it generally gets used a lot more, and it takes a little bit more effort to clean. But as I've mentioned, it's extremely important to thoroughly clean it, no matter what size wood you have. Make sure you clean all of your wood. All of the surfaces, all of the areas, the grooves. Of course, it's lovely to work with hardwood. And for those of you with small wood, you still need to clean it. And even though it doesn't take as much cleaning and maintenance, you've still got to keep it there, keep it clean. And then some people have weird misshapen wood, which needs the same treatment, often a little bit more attention because of all of the unusual grooves and shapes and stuff like that. But I don't really have misshapen wood, but I suppose you probably might even have to clean it a bit more often. Okay, so that's step one, hygiene taken care of. I'm going to let these dry, and then I will show you the next step on how to take care of your wood. Right, now that my wood is clean and dry, I'm going to go on to the next stage, and that is something to keep it in a good condition, to condition the surface of my wood, to keep it shiny and usable, and it makes it last longer. So I'll be applying a food grade natural mineral oil today onto my wood, and it's entirely your own preference, but I'm choosing to glove up for this exercise. Generally a lot safer to glove up when using your wood or when applying oil to your wood like this. So it's not really rocket science or anything like that, how to get oil on it. And I like using a lot of pressure on my wood, but that's entirely personal preference. If you want to use light strokes, use light strokes, but I like to really get stuck in there and work it properly. If your wood is dry, it might soak up quite a bit of oil, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. The deeper the penetration, and again you want to concentrate on giving attention to all of the wood. So there's no hard and fast rule when taking care of your wood like this. It's your wood. You can clean it as much as you want, as often as you want, and you can apply oil to it whenever you want it. And you can even see even your odd shaped wood likes being looked after, responds well to it, just the same as anybody else's wood, more normal wood. Right, so there you have it. That's how to take care of your wood. I hope you found this video educational and useful, and I hope you take great care of your wood going forward. Thank you for watching. Till next time, that's it.